While Siri is built into your iPhone, some people prefer Google Assistant. The good news is you can easily install it as an app and access it anytime. Here's a quick guide on how to get it set up on your iPhone. First, you need to download the Google Assistant app from the App Store. Open the App Store, tap the Search tab, type Google Assistant in the search bar. Find the official Google Assistant app in the search results and tap the download icon. Wait for the app to download and install. Once the app is installed, you need to open it and sign in with your Google account. Tap the Open button or find the new Google Assistant icon on your home screen. Tap Get Started and continue. Sign in with your Google email and password. The app will ask for microphone access. Make sure to tap OK or Allow so it can hear your voice commands. You're all set. To use Google Assistant, you can now open the app and start talking. That's how you install Google Assistant on your iPhone. It is a great way to use the features you are familiar with right alongside Siri.